Hola amigos y amigas, I am back and ready to talk about the holy grail of my hair treatment, ApHogee. ApHogee is a brand that is known for its protein treatment. It has a bunch of different stylers and serums and whatnot, but the products in the line that I'm the best acquainted with are 3 different treatment protocols that it has. Before I delve in, I want to point out that I've included 3 links below in the description box, mainly because you really need to delve in and do your own research. Furthermore, if you have any questions, definitely follow up with ApHogee and call them. I have done that in the past. It's well worth it to educate yourself before you fully jump in. And know your hair. What's your porosity? What's your damage? What are your expectations and goals? Because you also want to be realistic with that. My hair was badly damaged by both bleach and Diva Curl damage last year. The worst damage I have ever sustained to my hair in my life. I've been left with the fallout of that. I have lost a bunch of hair on the crown of my head. The hairs that are hanging on for dear life have been weakened. Sometimes hair is just beyond the scope of any help or any repair. At most, you might be able to pack it with enough strength to keep it on your head, but eventually you need to cut it off. And that's pretty much the state that I've been in. The fact that I have managed to get my curl pattern back is a miracle, because when I sustained the damage, my hair was not curling at all. It was a frizzed out mess. When I put on the stylers and diffused, and it would take me about 2 to 3 hours to diffuse my hair dry because it was so damaged. The cuticle was so shut and so open that it kept absorbing the products, not fully retaining it and not even drying. And then I would end up with like a wonky catatonic wave at most, but my hair would not be curling. You wouldn't even know that I was a curly girl. ApHogee helped kick the curls back in. Obviously in the beginning, not to the full extent that my hair can curl, because again, you can't fully heal damaged hair. But the fact that it was able to bring curl out within the damage was a miracle. There is the keratin 2-minute reconstructor routine, and that's good for your weekly washes. Then there is the strengthening kit, which is a more medium strength protein treatment, and that is for use for once a month. And then there's like the holy grail, strongest protein treatment in the line, called the 2-step protein treatment, and ApHogee is pretty much very well known for that one. That one you can use monthly. Sometimes you'll see that it's advised every 4 to 6 weeks, other times every 6 to 8 weeks, so pretty much every 4 to 8 weeks. Know your hair, know how your hair responds to it and what you feel it needs as far as frequency. So the 3 options are simple. We will start with the first routine, the weekly wash, the weakest in strength of the protein treatments. Start out with your shampoo for damaged hair. Put that sucker in, lather, wash, massage your scalp, rinse it off. Then you follow up with a keratin 2-minute reconstructor. This feels amazing on the hair. I was surprised. I don't know what I thought. I thought that it just would feel weird because it's protein. It actually smells good. It has great slip. And for me, it actually serves as a great detangler as well. So as I'm working it in the hair, I detangle and then I place it in a plastic cap. 2 minutes for normal-ish hair that hasn't sustained too much damage. 5 minutes for heavily damaged hair, which is what I do. 5 minutes and then rinse. They have a few different conditioning treatments and conditioner options. Per my research and a follow-up conversation with ApHogee, they thought it was a good idea to follow up with the ApHogee Curlific Texture Treatment. It's very moisturizing. It feels amazing on the hair. 3 minutes and you're good. Rinse, style, and you're done. If you feel you need more moisture, which oftentimes I do follow up with a deep treatment, a hair mask, which I leave in my hair, but that's for another video. This is just focusing on the basics of ApHogee. But by all means, if you feel you need more, definitely give your hair more moisture. That's not an issue. And because you're doing a protein treatment, you always do want to pack in the moisture. And you'll know, see how your hair feels, and take it from there. The next level up, a more medium protein treatment, is the strengthening kit. Again, start with your shampoo for damaged hair. And then, this is the strengthening kit. Step 1, apply it to the hair, apply a plastic cap to your hair, and leave it in from 5 to 10 minutes. I like to go all the way with my protein treatment, so I leave it in 10 minutes. Rinse. No heat, nothing needed for this. And then step 2 is a protective moisturizer. Apply it to the hair. It says to leave on for 1 minute. I like to do at least 3. Rinse and move on. However, for me, I'll be honest, this particular moisturizer, conditioner, doesn't really do much for my hair. I like to follow the steps because I'm a good hair girl, and if ApHogee's says do this and then do that, I do it. But then I do follow up with my hair mask because my hair is like screaming for it. And that would be an error if I didn't listen to my hair, and that's when I would encounter issues. And since I do that, my hair responds beautifully to the treatments. You can try this out once a month. You don't need to do it more often. The final strength protein treatment, the highest strength of them all, the 2-step protein routine, is amazing, time consuming, but well worth it. Again, wash your hair with a shampoo for damaged hair, and then you follow up with the famous 2-step protein treatment. You want to shake it really well, pour it into an applicator bottle, and you definitely need an applicator bottle. It's very liquidy, and this is not the best way to deal with it. If you try to pour it out, it's messy. I tried it like that the first time, and it was such a pain that this was well worth the trouble of going out to get it. The 2-step protein treatment is messy, it's sticky, it's stinky, it reeks, but it's so worth it. Pretty much you want to saturate the hair, really get in there and apply it to every single strand. Make sure your hair is untangled before. You do not want to try to untangle your hair while the treatment is in it. So untangle it before, apply it to the hair, really saturate the hair, and then start scrunching. And you really want to feel that sound and really get it into every strand. I like to go to town and just scrunch away, scrunch away. It'll drip on you, it'll make you sticky, everything is tacky and gooey. You definitely want a towel on the floor, maybe an extra one on your shoulders if you don't care, because you're gonna have to hop in the shower anyway. Whatever, be messy with it, but get it in the hair, into every single strand, and scrunch, and take your time scrunching. Per ApHogee, it helps if you're a curly girl to just scrunch it in and scrunch it in and scrunch it in. When you've been all scrunched out, you move on to applying heat. If you have one of those hard shell heat things, I can't remember the name, my brain is just fried, that they use in the salons, just sit under it, let it dry your hair, and this is what happens. It'll become super dry and super hard, so you want to be careful with your hair. This is where you don't want to manipulate it, you don't want to move it, you don't want to break it, because you can break it. At the same time, we're not stupid. You will feel your hair harden, you will feel the fragility of it, you won't hurt it, you won't break it. It sounds scarier than it is, and that's why it took me a while to want to try out the two-step protein treatment, because I was so worried about breaking my hair. But as it hardens, you'll get the feel, you'll get the drift, and you'll be careful with your hair, you'll be fine, and the treatment is so worth the effort. What I do at home, I use my diffuser. You want to apply even heat all over the hair. So if I'm here for a few seconds, then I move up for a few seconds, move up for a few seconds. So the fast motion version would be just getting every inch of my hair over and over and over, pretty much until it starts to dry and harden. I like to check by just poking into it again, because you don't want to manipulate it. Maybe I'll just squeeze and see, does it have moisture in? Is it still tacky? Is it wet in any way? And as it dries, you'll see sometimes it's so sticky, if the hairs that are here might stick to your neck, that's fine, just let it be. You can lightly move it if you can and dry. But once you're super dry, this is when you hop back in the shower. Once in the shower, again, you don't want to go to town and just dig your fingers in. Let the water fall on your hair, and I like to just tap it, tap it, tap it, make sure it's all getting wet, and you'll feel it soften up until eventually it's hair that you can move and touch again. Rinse everything out, and then follow up with the last step in the treatment routine, the ApHogee Balancing Moisturizer. This is pretty much like the step 2 in the strengthening kit. It feels like the exact same product. I'm sure it is, even the same color in the bottle. So again, I follow up with it because ApHogee recommends that I do. I don't have my glasses on. I don't know how long it says to leave it on, so read up on it. I think I do 5 minutes, and I leave it in my hair, rinse it out. Again, it really doesn't do much for me. I'm just a good hair girl. I want to follow the protocol. If ApHogee says do this, for sure after the 2-step protein treatment, I will. But I do always follow up with a hair mask and my moisture locking protocol as I style, etc. But once you're done and you feel your hair has the moisture that it needs, style, diffuse, air dry, and you are good to go. And see how that works for your curls. Have you tried ApHogee before? Has it worked for you? Has it not worked for you? If it hasn't, what else are you trying? Because I might want to give it a go. ApHogee has been good to me. So since I do plan to continue being blonde, I will continue to use this in my regimen. I normally do not use any other shampoos any other protein treatments. Because this has worked well for me, it's like, why would I mess with it? If it ain't broke, don't try to fix it. So that's that for now. See you soon. Ciao for now.